Hello friends! As you may have already guessed, we're talking about the iPhone 12. And there's several reasons why it is the best smartphone for $500. Let's take a quick look at him.
The first reason is the design. iPhone can be immediately distinguished from our smartphones due to its modern design, and do not forget about the fact that he usually sets the trend for our companies. The second reason is MagSafe. Now under his name is whole ecosystem of necessary supporting magnetic wireless charging iPhone 12. The magnet and arrange around on education coil, so what the smartphone automatically attach it when you put on the charging station. It's very convenient to use in the car. The first reason, in the glass. The iPhone has a very strong glass pane with ceramic shield technology. It protects your smartphone, as Apple say, 4 times better than the previous one. The 4 is the 5G. The speed can reach up to 3.5 gigabits per second per download. Also, the LTE has been improved and the speed can now reach up to gigabits instead of 1.6 gigabits. Is the last reason in the camera. Yes, it's not the best as the way is Google Pixel. With widescreen and ultra widescreen and with thank you, fine. For photographers, you will love the Apple ProRAW format, and it's also interesting to record video in Dolby Vision which does you about HDR and 10-bit, plus you can edit it all right on your smartphone.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click to the bell. See you soon. Bye.